Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery 4. So from any screen, you've got audio, video there, and you've got phone. If we go to phone, you'll see there's no phone connected to it at the moment, so that screen comes up automatically. If there's another phone connected, it'd be a different story. But you see the two phones that are connected there. It comes up, Barry's iPhone 13, delete. Click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone Pro, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery. So first of all, we have to make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the audio system, we'll click on phone. It's showing a phone that could be connected if it was here, but it's not. And also search new, so search new. And we'll do vehicle to device. It's searching. As I say, the reason it'll be struggling is because I've just deleted it. I've not switched the engine off. I've not switched my phone off, and I'm just trying to pair it again. So there you go. It's found it this time. So Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there. So we'll click on there. To pair and connect phone, enter 6989. Now we'll just give this a minute. It's thinking about it there. You can see the baseball thing, and it's 6989. So 6989, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And doing it from vehicle to device, it saves you having to input a code and then input it into there. It just saves a step, really. Land Rover connected. That's it, connected, yeah. So that's it. Also, if you go to your music, here we go. Look at the bottom there. I'm going to turn that down, but if you look at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the three silver circles, you'll see it's just playing an audio book at the moment. iPhone or Land Rover, but we're on Land Rover. Go back to the record that's playing. I'll click play. Over to the system, we click audio here. Now audio, it's actually on it, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it away from there, and then we'll go back. So we'll do that again. We're wanting to play a record. I don't want to show you that because it's too easy. If it's set on something else, you might not know what to do. So if it is set on something else, so we click play. We go over to the system, we play audio video, click audio video. As you can see there, auxiliary selected. And radio, DAB radio, source. Now there's a plus next to source. We click just on the plus, and then it gives you more. From that source, you can play USB, stored CDs, DVD and CD, iPod, or my phone, like so. I'm going to turn that up. That's it. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery 4. So from any screen, here we go, you've got audio, phone, nav, home menu. We go on to nav, or if it's on the home menu, you just press it there. So that brings the nav up. Destination entry, there we go, destination entry. Address and postcode, we'll click postcode. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. P R 5 4 E A. That's it, PR5 4EA. OK. And then we have to click go there. Click go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.